Hello, hello. What is going on, Money Team? Welcome back to another day of DOD. Trading with your boy, JD. Let's go. What's going on, everyone? Good morning. Let's get it. For TikTok, this live stream is not financial advice. This live stream is simulated trading only. Everything said here is for educational and entertainment purposes only. My name is Jdun. It is 7:01 a.m. Mountain Time. Let's get it. Let's get it. Good morning, everybody. What's good? What's good in the hood? Jdun, feel like we catching a huge trade today. My boy, you feel right. Let's see here. Oh, my alarm. What's good, everybody? Top of the AM. Top of the AM, my friends. What's up? What's good? Hello. How are we all doing? You guys miss me? Because I missed you. Well, let me tell you guys something. We don't have the bull mask at the house, so that must mean one thing. There's only one way we can make some money today. We want to see this market go into oblivion. I never seen you open a trade. Well, then you must be blind. Actually, technically deaf, because you wouldn't hear me open a trade. So I'd recommend checking out a doctor for that. I have been called the stock doctor before, but I'm personally not, and I'm not an ophthalmologist or an ear doctor or an ENT. So I wish I could help you with that issue. I just personally can't, my bro. I woke up with jokes today. Hey, Jdun, go give me a funded account. I'm gonna pass the eval copying you, bro. Go get yourself an Apex account for $19. It's the last day of 20% or 90% off. I'm sure, Lucas, but there's a reason why they're focusing on me. Winners focus on winning, losers focus on winning. Losers focus on winners. Excuse me. That's how it goes. Paydun's not here yet, but he's coming. FTK. Yep, if you guys want to trade with me, today's the final day of Apex is 90% off. Tahoe windows. If you guys want to take a trade with me today, I recommend getting yourself an Apex 50K Trade Evade account. It's only $19.70. Got my first cash outs yesterday. Thanks, Jdun. DOD is the key. Let's go. 3 accounts with Apex. We got traders getting paid out by Apex. That's amazing. That is amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. What's up, Roger? Roger that. Haven't been here for 4 months. How are you doing, Jdun? I'm doing great, bro. How you doing? Happy to have you back. Happy to have you back. Depends. Sometimes a fourth, sometimes half. It just depends on the sizing. It really just depends on that for your system. If you're trading micros or minis, that matters too. Can I not see your question? No, I haven't seen your question. All right, Team Bowl. Good morning. Good morning. We got about 23 minutes until market opens up. Happen to private. Malama beat. Let's go. Yeah, honestly, if you're on TikTok, the best place to be is on the YouTube with me. Jdun Trades. Full screen share, full charting. Full charting. Full screen share. Let's go DOD. Yeah, y'all are ready to choose DOD today. I know y'all are ready. I know y'all are ready. Yesterday started off a little slow. I was frustrated with how I executed, but ended up being a really nice day. Ended up being a really, really nice day. What up, Tyler? Gene was on for Asia last night. I think that went well. Started with a winner, then he had a loser, I believe. But started with a winner during Asia is always good. No, Greg's not on voice anymore. He won't be anymore. It's primarily just going to be me with a little bit of Grizzly. Grizzly still will be on. He kind of only calls out trades and keeps the talking to a minimum. He's a quiet man. I removed him from voice in a respectful way. There was just too much going on. Too many trades. I don't want people following signals here. If you're going to trade my system, I want you trading with me. Yep. Yeah, no, it's all good. I didn't like watching for something or like trying to trade DOD and then having opposite opinions come in, and it's just confusing for traders. That's the feedback we got. So it's just going to be me from now on for the most part. You guys are stuck with the DOD man. You guys are stuck with Mr. DOD himself. Today, y'all are stuck with order filled. That's what we're getting today. We will be having no stop filled. That one's harder. I'm not as good at that one. Y'all are funny. Today I turn a new leaf on stop fills. Too tight, I think. Silly losses. That's good. I love seeing y'all turn a new leaf. That's amazing. That's great. You want me to fill your fair value? Oh, come on. It's messed up. That's why we don't trade ICT here. You guys should see over and over across social media why we don't trade ICT. I don't get into drama with other traders. You guys know that, but I'm just saying whenever there's some BS that comes out about a trader, why is it always ICT? Why is it always these ICT guys? Just saying, because it don't work. That's why. The more complicated you make your trading, the less accurate you're going to be. I don't care what your strategy is. Honestly, that's why I love how we trade with DOD is it just fits with everything. You just manage your risk, keep yourself in check, keep it simple, good things happen. That's it. It's that easy. Not trading isn't easy, but you get the point. Feel my brain with drama. All right, y'all. We got 15 minutes till open. Too much. You know, DOD keeps you looking young and free. Two Apex evals passed. DOD, thank at code Jdun. Let's go. Oh, let's get it, Team Bull. What's up, everybody? All right, y'all. It's going to be a good DOD day. Guys, I'm telling you, I have been grinding on this new diet. I've been literally eating so much food. I feel like I eat all day. I feel like I just never stop eating. I'm just eating a lot. Like this morning, I had a few tablespoons of natural peanut butter. I don't eat like Jiffy, poison, horrible. The only ingredients you want in your peanut butter is what? Peanuts. If you got all these other oils and garbage, no bueno. So I had a banana, a few tablespoons of peanut butter, and then a carnivore-based protein powder that has no dairy or gluten or soy, all that crap. And then for my next meal after we trade, I'll have 8 ounces of bison probably today, avocado, and rice. A few hours after that, I'll probably have another 8 ounces of bison and more rice, more avocado. Then I'll probably have some like 6 to 8 ounces of fish, of wild caught salmon. No local caught. Local caught is sketch. You don't want local caught. Wild caught only. Wild caught salmon with some spinach and a protein shake. And then I'll have a steak and sweet potatoes to end the night. Bro, it's a grind, Tyler. I've been eating all day. I just feel like I never stop eating, bro. I feel like I never stop eating. Jdun, what is your daily bias? I don't know how I'm going to go to the market open with no daily bias. Bro, I don't have a daily bias, bro. I don't know what ways the market's going to go, but I'm going to figure it out. I don't have a daily bias. I don't know. I don't know what my daily bias is. We're going to figure it out. I don't go into the day. Like what I will do is I'll look at pre-market. Where are we at? Well, this pre-market action is there's no trend. So I will wait to see what they give us when the market opens in the first 15, 20 minutes. And we'll go from there. We didn't have any huge news. And so we just wait and see. Jdun, what is your daily bias of SMT and SCC and ICT? And what is the equilibrium of equal highs and equal lows? And when is it going to confirm my fair value gap? I don't know. I don't know. I ain't doing all that, bro. I'm just trying to find a nice, simple setup I can make some money on. Keep my discipline in check. That's it. Do I take breakfast before trading? This morning, like I've been having a banana, some peanut butter, natural peanut butter, and a protein shake. So kind of. A little bit. I want my lava lamp on. I love my lava lamp. I'm like a middle school kid. I don't want to hear no lava lamp hate. Anybody. Bro, swipes, it never ends. I swear. Damn, I get my order of clothes today. Let's go. I ordered some of the new Kill Tech drop. I got 7 pieces. I got 7 pieces from the new Kill Tech drop. I just support my boy. Yeah, I got the American. Yeah, I did. He hooked me up with the friends and family, so I was shopping the day before, just going out picking things out real nice and slow. That's my flex for the day. No, but it was cool. I don't really buy clothes anymore. I don't buy designer clothes, but I'll wear some streetwear. I bought like 3 pairs of pants. I got the American flag hoodie. I got Jdun an American flag hoodie as a gift. And then I got a pair of shorts and a pair of sweatpants. So got a few things. Got a few things. Yo, we are almost 5 minutes from market open. As a reminder, guys, how many people we got here? We got almost 700 people on YouTube. Let's go. And we got 300 in TikTok. Make sure y'all hit that like button. If you're in YouTube, let's get those likes up to like 300, y'all. Easy. I know we got 300 DOD focused, ready and hungry traders. Smash that like button if you're ready to make a bag today. Let's get that up to 300, baby. And if you're on TikTok, same deal. Tap that screen over and over. Let's get that up to like 10K. No, 44 win. It's only going to be Grizzly and I invoice from here on out. Much easier that way. Much simpler. This isn't a signals chat of trades being reeled off left and right. That was all of the feedback we got. So that's what it's going to be. I was just answering your question. I was just letting you know. He's in his channel if he wants to post in there. It's just there was too much going on in voice. It's not good for any traders to have too many trades going on left and right or different directions. It confuses people. It's a lot to do, and this isn't a signal chat. People join the chat to learn one system, and that's how it's going to be. But anyway, let's focus on the market we opened in 5 minutes. Yeah, it was a lot, so we changed it. DOD. Another ICT trader bites the dust. I mean, if only someone told you that. We're not adding any more calls. So that's not happening. This isn't a signals chat. Well, let's get it, y'all. We got 5 minutes till open. Hopefully we can just catch one nice, really good trade today. That's my focus. You'll never see me kicking another man while they're down. All I'm saying is if you join a live stream and they just lose every trade, that's a pretty telltale sign. I mean, my goodness, guys. Look at even ICT himself when he gets on his live streams, bro. What happens? Bro just loses. What's good, Grizzly?
What's up, man? How you doing? Like I just talked to you.
How you doing, kind sir?
I'm doing well. Ready to hopefully catch another winning trade today.
Yep, I'm hoping to catch a winner today. Started off with a small loss yesterday, 21 points, then caught a banger with you. I entered like probably a minute after you, but still.
Great day for you, right?
Yep. Yeah, I made just under 700, so we'll take it. We'll call it break even. I took a full-size loss in that first trade, so. Yep, I'm live on YouTube right now. If you're on TikTok and you want to see my full screen, you can go to Jdun Trades on YouTube. Jdun Trades. Wish you would talk to the people commenting. Would you rather me be trading and trying to find a trade and teach you guys and make you money, or would you rather this be a Q&A? I'm being honest. Would you rather just shut down the charts and just do a Q&A? Have story time? Come on, bro. I'm trying to make you a bag. I'll make you a bag. I'll do my best to make you a bag. And then we'll have Q&A, all right? We'll talk later when things slow down. We make a bag, then we can talk. If you were taking wins, yeah, but he doesn't win. I'm excited to see you lose. It's interesting how the people who love to see me lose show up every day. It's interesting. I haven't quite put the hammer on the nail of the head, on the head of the nail, but maybe one day I'll understand. Maybe one day. I don't understand today, but maybe one day I'll understand. All right, guys, we got 2 minutes left, or 1:15.
Everyone got their coffee ready? Eat whatever you're sipping on?
I don't have my coffee yet. I'm still Jdun. Paydun has not been activated yet. Paydun is not activated. He's still an injured reserve.
Set up here Premarket. You see that, Jdun?
You push down?
That candle at what, 9 my time? The higher volume candle, then retraced it. Continued down.
Oh, yep.
Control. That was point of control too, that it retested on the next candle. That'd have been a good entry. Shorts. Up the Asia high. Now we're creating a new point of control.
In my drop top. All right, guys. The market has just opened. This is your reminder to choose DOD, trade smart, trade safe, and make today a point. Make it a mission to improve one thing about your trading today. If you've been over trading, take one less trade. If you've been revenge trading, set clear rules for yourself so that if you hit your maximum loss limit, or you hit your 2 loss limit, or you don't confirm your trade, you are not allowed to trade based on your rules. When you keep promises to yourself and you follow your own rules, those other bad, garbage, dopamine chasing activities go away. So make it a point today. Do better today. I'm not asking you to become a consistently profitable trader today. I'm asking you to do better. That's what I expect of you if you're on this live stream today, is to do better for yourself, to choose DOD. And you know what? I'm going to pull the parent. And if you don't do it, I'm not even going to be mad at you. I'm just going to be disappointed. Do you want me to be disappointed in you? I'm not going to be mad. I'm not going to yell. I'm just going to be disappointed. So don't make me disappointed. So don't make me disappointed. That is the worst, right? When someone's like, I'm not mad at you. I'm just disappointed. So it's going to be DOD. You better choose discipline over disappointment. All right, let's see what we can get today. Let's go ahead and mark out our pre-market levels. Pre-market high. Okay. Pre-market low is right here. All right, cool. We got our levels. Now let's wait. Let's see what we can get. I mark out at 2 a.m. Eastern time. 50 years old and I'm worried about disappointing you. Don't disappoint. Come on, man. Not today. You deserve better. Good morning, everyone on YouTube. I appreciate y'all being here. We have over 1,000 people on the live. If you're ready to choose DOD, and if you don't want to disappoint your boy today, hit that like button, baby. Let's get up to at least 300. We got 184 likes. If you're ready to choose DOD, if you're ready to focus, hit that thumbs up, turn those notifications on, and let's get it. Let's find ourselves a winning trade through the system. I've told you guys, again, it's just going to be Grizzly 9 on this voice from here on out. One system, less noise. No trades for me the first 15 minutes, guys. Yes. No trades the first 15 minutes, y'all. Dude, do you guys not read? He has his own channel if he wants. It's just the feedback I got from members is people joining because they want to learn one system. It's too confusing having multiple trades going on in voice. This isn't a signal chat. So if you want that, that's what you get here. You get one system, you get DOD, and that's it. It's got too confusing having way too many trades. Yo, got DOD. That's all you need, baby. To me, give us, we only have one mask here, guys, so I'm going to need a specific trending day, and it's not to the upside. So we will wait and see what the market gives us these first 15 minutes. Go from there. Today is the last day as well of Apex is 90% off. So if y'all want to tap in, trade with me. Pass an eval today. Go get yourself an Apex 90% off account on Tradeovate using code Jdun. It's not always 90% off. It's like once every month, month and a half. Damn, 400 waiting for the flight. Okay, Ashley, I see you. Tell me what's the word. What do you got to watch today, Grizzly? What's the Bears' bias? What does the Bears' bias? I'm low-key kind of excited for them to add in futures on individual stocks, too. Imagine we're on Trade of 8, and it's just much simpler to trade Tesla futures or NVIDIA futures. Or if we have earnings after market and you want to trade NVIDIA or Tesla, boom, got futures. Not that you should be ripping ripping Tesla futures at 5 p.m., but it's possible. I think later in the year. I mean, honestly, the country is turning into a massive casino. I'm not sure how I feel about it. Like prediction markets. Prediction markets a little sketchy.
What is this? Sell-off, man.
Almost over 100 points.
We're in demand again on that previous day low. Wow. Previous day low is at the bottom of this minute.
You know, I think the thing with gambling is like, if you have an edge, I get it. But a lot of people, most people don't have an edge. Like, not everyone's a professional poker player. A lot of you guys are just throwing on $10 parlays in hopes of turning $10 into $1 million.
The people that actually make money from sports bets, which is not myself.
It's not me either, bro.
They manage it. They manage their accounts very strictly. And
Yep.
they go heavier on singles. Typically, like a negative 118 or something. That's where they put the money.
Yep. I'm not one of the people that makes money off sports betting. In fact, if you guys want an almost guaranteed strategy and edge in sports betting, you can just copy my FanDuel and just do the opposite of me. That might be the strategy.
It's crazy to set the volume in the opening candle. Definitely larger.
Hey, what is this price action? Look at that. Completely just reversed that whole candle. Nope, I wouldn't short this. Now, this is a good lesson to start the day. Why is this not a 2-bar setup, guys? We made this lower high and moved down, and this volume is higher. Why is this right here not a 2-bar setup? Because it's the first candle of the day. This candle is always higher volume. The first 5-minute candle of the day, literally every day, is always higher volume. So these first 3 candles don't really have a lot of confluence to them. The first candle of the day, we don't base our trend off that. It always has higher volume. So you don't want to base it off of that. And if you would have taken that, you would have gotten cooked. All right, y'all. Let's wait and see what we get today. Tell me in chat, Team Bowl, what is one thing y'all are going to focus on today? Improving. What's one thing while we're waiting for this last 5-minute candle to play out? What's one thing y'all can improve on? Risk management. What's one thing you can promise me you're going to improve on? Not being upset if I lose. Following your rules. Not being scared of letting runners run. That's a good one. Trimming at 1.5 R. I like that. Follow my rules. Decrease sugar intake. No more over trading. Truly understanding why the trade is being taken. Less over trading. Trust my analysis. All right. Lots of good. No oversizing. Lots of good goals for the day. That's good. All DOD based. No more stop. No more stop losses. That is not DOD based. That's not part of the plan, bro. I'm disappointed seeing that. It's hilarious. If I spent on you. Let's see what we can get today, folks. Look at this NASDAQ 1-minute chart here. What an aggressive candle. Just hold it till it comes back in profit. That is not a viable strategy. Damn, New York got a ton of snow. That is crazy. Is anyone in New York, just surrounding area, just covered in snow? 18 inches is bananas. Wow, that is insane. 28 inches? $28 inches on Eastern Long Island. That's crazy. If I was there, I'd be trading from an igloo. Some spots in Boston got 30 inches. That's crazy. Yeah, we haven't gotten much snow in Colorado, honestly. It's been weak. We got 4, 3, 2, 1. This candle's about to close. Above pre-market high. Interesting. Interesting candle. Interesting close of this candle. Big candle, lower volume too. Not terrible volume. I mean, you'll traditionally see price move up more often on lower volume than you'll see price move down on lower volume. Huh. All right, guys. I need to wait for a 5-minute confirmation. So right now I got nothing. I'm also not pay done yet. I'm still just Jdun. The coffee's not here. I haven't had my coffee, so Gene got his time mixed up. I think Gene's here. There's Mr. Gene. Let's go!
I brought the water.
What?
I brought the
Yeah,
water.
yeah. What's up, bro?
What's up, dude?
How's your morning been?
Terrible.
Why? Damn, bro. Bro's on a rough start to the morning. We're going to turn that frown upside down. And I'm going to give you an NQ trading crown. While we watch this market go down. And if I lose, the haters will call me a clown. But when I win, they're going to see me in my Versace gown, baby. Kidding, I don't have a Versace gown. or a robe.
This market can chill out.
No.
What's this 25,000 for retail? Just rip through it.
I would like to make it known to the public that Paydon has just showed up. We got the copy. We are activating Paydon. All right, we're getting a higher volume here, but let's look how this candlestick looks. We also have consumer confidence in 11 minutes. A lot of volume, but what do we notice about the candlestick? The wick isn't bad. It's just it's an anomaly with the previous candlestick because we have large candlestick, lower volume, smaller candlestick, higher volume. I know. I was thinking about it too. It's just I don't like the size of that candlestick. I don't want it to be. I'd have to keep my stops below like 900. I'm not going to take this, guys. And I guess you could argue like trying 920 to 910 with stops below 900, but I don't have the 5-minute confirmation I like, so I'm not going to force it early on. I'm going to wait. This could be the bounce area, but I'm going to personally sit this out for now. I'm buying a gym membership today, Jdun. Trying to be disciplined outside of trading. That just made my day. That made me so happy, bro. That's awesome. Shout out Jonathan. Why haven't I taken a trade? The only area I see is potentially along here, but I don't have the 5-minute confirmation I'd like. So this could be the higher low. I just wasn't in love with this candle right here. If you were to try along, your stops have to be at 900. I would also certainly not short here. I don't take reversals without confirmation. We have data in 7 minutes as well. Gene, you want to come say hi quick? Gene wants to say hi to everybody.
Hello. ¿Qué pasó, compas? Rough start to the morning. What's up, guys? I'm like dead right now. So dead. What's up, everybody? Yeah, I am today. We ended up basically break even. I won like 30 points, but then I lost like 25 or something like that. So barely break even. What's up, guys? I'm not feeling well today. Oh, woke up late. What else? Woke up a little sick. Yeah, I know. I don't know what it is. Just tired. Yeah, the market literally, I knew it was going to go. We just weren't trading it good. We weren't trading it well. No. I'm good. I need some coffee. What? I can't put anything under my bed. I don't have space under there.
What's the market doing? Is the
Pulling
market
back.
dumping?
Pulling back.
See, that's why I didn't take that trade. I was right. I was. Getting myself ready. That's my trade dance. All right. That's why I didn't take that trade, guys. I was a little worried that we might see a flush on that 900. Not today, baby. Let's see what this, our midline. So here's the thing, guys, is that our midline for the morning isn't down until 800. And I'm not going to look for a bounce inside this candle because it was an aggressive candle with lower volume. Yo, we got almost 2,000 people with us here on YouTube. I appreciate y'all being here. Appreciate y'all being a part of the DOD fam. And I have some expectations of you guys while you're here. I expect you guys to stay focused, trade smart, trade safe, commit to at least one thing you'll improve on today. One thing you'll improve on today. I want that for you every day. And to choose DOD in your trading. Also appreciate y'all hitting that thumbs up button. If you're on TikTok, I'm also live on YouTube as well. You can come on over for full screen share. It's Jdun Trades. People come in and think you're going to constantly trade. That's one of the problems, guys, is when you come, I just want to set some expectations quick. When you guys come to my live stream, I don't trade all day. I take 1 to 2 trades typically a day. So you might have to sit here and be okay being bored with me for an hour. Now, I don't think I'm that boring. I think I'm funny sometimes, but or we find ways to entertain ourselves. But guys, I'm not a take every trade trader. I'm not a trade everyday trader. I'm a day trader. So if you're okay with being bored and making more money and keeping more money, this is a great stream for you. If you want to be constantly trading all day and taking 10 trades a day, then this isn't going to be the stream for you. That's how you changed me. Helped out a lot. While we're waiting, guys, if you want to take my next trade with me, Apex is 90% off, ends today. I appreciate y'all tapping in using code Jdun, getting yourself an account. I'll do my absolute best to help you pass it. It's the final day. Y'all should stick around for the bear mask. Yeah, trust. If it comes, she's ready. Hey, don't troll someone for asking questions. Is this a 2-bar? No, it's not, because the trend, it has to be trend direction, and also you need to have a solid volume confirmation on the 5-minute. It's like once a month, or once every month and a half. We have lots of traders getting paid out with Apex recently too. Yes, follow the rules, get paid. Simple as that. The ultimate goal for you guys is to be on a live account, though. I always say that. Like, prop firms are a tool. They're fine. They're great for a lot of things. If you guys have the money for a live account, if you guys have the skill for a live account, then just stick with a live account. I'd rather you be on a live account long term. That's the ultimate goal. Kind of look like a nothing burger. Right back in between. We're in between both of our key levels, pre-market low and pre-market high, and 15-minute low and 15-minute high. So we have no volume confirmation either way, so I'm just waiting. What?
Good burger.
Never heard of it.
Classic. Dumb. I don't think I ever watched a second Good Burger. I didn't know there was one. All right. Lowering volume.
Yeah, I'm not sold either way.
Payout just hit my Rise account.
What do you say, Gene?
Payout just hit my Rise account.
Your payout to sit your account?
Yeah.
Let's go. Gene with another payout hitting the account. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Let's go, Gene. Let's go, Gene. Don't. Hey, if you're new here, I appreciate you guys hitting that follow button here on TikTok too. If you hit that top left corner, you'll get to join every live that we do, see every trade that I take, and learn how to trade yourself. I want to teach you guys how to fish, not just catch you fish. I ultimately want to do both, but same with YouTube. I appreciate y'all hitting that subscribe button. Our boy Gene just had another payout hit the account. All right, we're getting good volume here. Woo! You're 23, right, Gene?
Yeah.
You've been trading for 4 years?
Mm-hmm.
It's crazy. When you're my age, you'll have been trading for 10 years.
Yeah. I think we started around the same age.
Yep. I started around 22. 20 as well. You started before I did, actually, then.
19 turn.
I turned 30 in a few months, guys. How crazy is that? Bucky said, what made you avoid the trade a few minutes ago? Would you please explain some of your nuance? So, yeah, I can explain that pretty easily. So, look at the anomaly here between these two candles. You see huge candle, smaller volume, small candle, big volume. That means someone's lying here. So, while we could have found support here and moved up, I didn't have enough probability. I didn't have an edge in that trade. So, just because there was higher volume, it didn't support the size of the candle. That's why I didn't take it. It could have worked out, but there wasn't enough edge for me to take it. All right, bigger candle here, potential reversal. Still in the middle of this range, though, so I'm not taking anything. And our trend is still technically up. Let's see, 860, 880. Right in the middle of this range. I'm not going to take anything, guys. $30, but still screaming with a bear mask and claws. I might be 30, but I'm like 21 internally. No trades taken so far. Interesting candle up. I'd love to see us continue that down with weakness. What's wrong with running a bear mask and claws? What's wrong with that? You guys don't like to have fun? All right, let's see if this gives us a solid downside confirmation. Oh boy, I hope it does. I'm going to wait for my 5-minute confirmation, y'all. I'm in no rush. It's not a 2-bar, guys. Just waiting. We don't have a trend direction yet. Staying patient. We'll get the bear mask out if we need to. Don't worry. If we need to channel that, we'll do it. Oh, did you? Thank you, Mr. Gene. I will be redeeming the coffee. What up, Christopher, a.k.a. Einstein? Your boy Einstein's in chat. Guys, there's a million different SMT. I don't know about all this SMT, ICT stuff, bro. I don't do all that. I take 1 to 2 good trades with DOD and price action every day. I just kind of be chilling. If you can't deal with the chill, then if you can't deal with being bored, my strategy is probably not the best for you. But if you stick around, you'll see enough people that are making good money with DOD. It's a bummer that some people come in and they aren't willing to stay patient enough to see how much value this live stream truly has. Just staying patient. Staying patient, everybody. This market will not tread on me. Trading is for the patient. It's, no trades. Why?
I was just watching. We're trying to get a long entry here, but we closed right below pre-market high. That previous candle. Lower volume as well.
Ocean Prime or Shanahan's? I like both. What, Gene? Oh, oops. I'm just throwing stuff around. I'm just throwing stuff around. Black coffee. My volume is not off. You're probably on MNQ. Every time you have differing volume than me, if you're trading the NASDAQ, you're probably on MNQ. Their volumes slightly differ. That's what I would guess. You know, as a reminder, TikTok, I'm live on YouTube as well. We're building the largest community around. We're building the largest DOD community on YouTube. It's Jdun Trades if you want to watch my full screen share. I'm going to have the first student interview posted this next week. Going to have the first student interview in a while posted this next Sunday. I'm excited. I'm going to start trying to post them at least once a week. So many of you guys are getting great results, life-changing results with DOD. I want the world to see. Nothing yet, guys. Oh, all right, guys. Let's see what we can get. We are 45 minutes into the day, and I've taken no trades. DOD cut the amount of trades I take by about 95%, and I use stop losses now. That's amazing. I'm a big fan. That's where I spend most of my money is food. Love spending money on good food. Oh, it's my favorite. Oh. Son's bachelor party. Hey, let's go. More on food than cars. That'd be some really expensive steaks. Still no setups, guys. If we would have had higher volume on this, maybe I look for a retest back up. This could potentially be a lower high at our key levels right here. High is 920. But no volume confirmation, so I'm going to wait. City Surf said, find your edge, trade it for 21 days. If it's profitable within the 21 days, then all you need is DOD and you're a successful trader. Well, I wouldn't say it's that simple, but you're on the right path there, step in the right direction for sure. Definitely a step in the right direction. Appreciate all y'all being here on YouTube. I'm live every single morning, 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. Every single day for y'all. I appreciate y'all hitting that subscribe button, hitting that thumbs up, and also turning your notifications on. If you press that bell icon and press all, you won't miss any lives. This channel is live Asia session trading now every day, too, with Gene, my assistant. He's gotten a lot of payouts. He just had another payout at the bank this morning. He trades primarily Asia, and he's been killing it. Chad, if you've been trading with Gene in Asia session, have you gotten value from it? If you guys have joined the Asia live trading sessions with Gene, have you guys gotten value from it trading in the afternoon or evening? Yes, 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 yes. About 20 yeses and 2 nos. 30 yeses and 2 nos. We'll take that. So if you guys are looking to trade more afternoons and evenings, you can hit that subscribe button and turn those notifications on so when we do go live on here, you get that as well on this YouTube channel. Got 585 with Gene last night. What do you mean focus on a trade? There's no trade to be had. Not with my system. There's no volume confirmation. Here's the thing is you guys get mixed up. People are like, bro, focus on finding a trade right now. Why? Why do I need to focus on finding a trade this second? If I can watch the 5-minute chart and say there's nothing that fits my system, why do I need to find a trade right now? That's you itching to take a trade. I don't itch to take trades. I don't even care if I don't take a trade today. I will if it comes up. I don't need to take a trade. I will if I get an A+ setup. But I don't need to take a trade. If we had higher volume on this, I might have looked for the reversal around this area with stops above this high, but we didn't get that. I'm still not fully convinced on the reversal yet. I'm partially convinced, not fully convinced. I still think there's a world where we build above these levels and go long. I'm trying to turn the page on retail traders getting slaughtered. I'm doing my absolute best helping y'all with DOD. The average retail trader, when they start, wants to take a million trades, wants to overtrade and revenge trade, and choose dopamine over discipline. I'm doing my best to help y'all change those habits, right? We're putting in work every day. But I need y'all to put in the work too with me, man. It's true. Retail traders do get slaughtered. Look at the success rate of trading. It's around 95% failure rate. If you don't like the facts, then I'm probably not the guy for you. I'm not going to sit here and tell you this is easy and that you can just join my stream or buy this course and you're going to become a millionaire. You can find someone else that will feed you that garbage. This is very hard. You got to be disciplined. You got to be focused. You got to have a system. If you can't manage your emotions and you keep blowing yourself up, you're not going to have any success doing this. And if that hurts your feelings, then it probably should. If it helps you, my job isn't to be nice. My job is to get you to where you want to be and to help be a good mentor. My job is not to be nice. I do my best to be kind and respectful, but my job is to help you. Indiana Whitetail said, I can confirm Jdun is very helpful and knowledgeable. I couldn't pass an eval for literally 1 year, switched to DOD and passed eval within 2 weeks. Let's go. There's still a world, guys. There's still a world where it looks like we made this higher low, where if we get a solid close above these levels, I'll look for a retest back down and then continuation up to these highs. Trading is not easy in the position I'm in. Trading never becomes easy. That's what y'all got to understand is that there never comes a moment when you just become profitable and everything becomes easy. You get better. It gets easier because you get better at managing your emotions, better at spotting plays. Your intuition gets better. Your risk management gets better. But it never gets easy, per se. All right, this could give us a confirming candle, guys. Are we finally going to get it? Are we finally going to get it? Now just chill out here. Have a little more fighting. And give us a nice 2-bar. Come on. Give us a nice 2-bar. Tesla also could be getting a 2-bar as well. 5, 10, 15. Closed above the 15-minute high. Yeah. Oh, no. Don't wick down. Yeah, we got the Rolly on today. I love this watch. Love this watch. Presidential band. Fire. They're investments, too. They hold their value. Especially with where gold is. Yeah, fire. Yep, that's my watch, too. Looks like we want to... I just hope we can close a little below high a day. Just a little below. Just stay right here. Yep. Maybe a move down to like 920, stops below 9 or 890. About 30 points of risk. This is perfect scenario is move back down here, push up, stops below here. That's perfect scenario, everybody. 30 seconds never felt so long. That could be taken way wrong. Hope that's not what she's saying. Oh. I sure hope not. All right. Yep, I'm watching same thing. Watching pull back down for longs. 920 area. $920 area. Hopefully don't take it that high before. Come on. 920 area is what I want to see for longs. Stops below 890. Or 888. I don't know if it's going to give it to us, bro. I'm not sure it's going to give it to us, my friend. No. Running game is what I do. Push down to 920 first. One pullback. One nice pullback into this zone right here. I will try the longs, look for a move up with stops below this candle low, everybody. That is my game plan. If we take out this high, I'm still interested in it. I'm going to be a little disappointed. Our edge does go down a little bit if we do take out that high, but I'm still interested in the play. Man, no pullback. That setup, well, I'm still interested in the setup. I'm not going to size up on it like I was planning to do this week, but I will take it and put full 1 hour risk on. If we get it. It doesn't look like we're going to get it. I know. I was even going to take it early. I was going to take it up at 9:20 before the pre-market high, 15-minute high. Just didn't get down there. I stayed about 50.
Watching this reject, everyone, 25,000. We have hourly demand and we have previous day point of control at 25,000.
Ooh.
What? It could be like this, kind of push up, sweep it, 25,000. Drop it down. Sweep.
That's a bummer, guys. That looks like a really good setup. Wow. We might get another setup. If we can get a strong close here with higher volume, we can look for another 2-bar setup potentially. Just try ride it a little higher. It might line up with our previous high from the start of the day. So like 960 with stops below 935 for longs. Maybe you get your rejection, Grizzly, and you can take it down to my bounce spot. We're taking out 25,000 though too. That's just a little sketchy for my liking. We're choosing DOD though, guys. We're trading smart, trading safe. Appreciate y'all being here with me, rocking with me, staying patient, trading smart, trading safe. We're about an hour in. This is your reminder to choose discipline over garbage, cheap, tempting dopamine. I want you guys to stay focused on the long-term vision. Keep your promises to yourself that you made me this morning when we first started over an hour ago. Also appreciate y'all hitting that thumbs up button, baby. Let's get up to 500. We got almost 2,000 people in here. We're growing. That shows that you guys are getting value from what we're doing together as a team. Appreciate y'all hitting that like button. Appreciate y'all being here and supporting everybody. If you're on TikTok, I'm also live on YouTube as well. Full screen share. Jdun Trades. If you go to your YouTube search bar, type in Jdun Trades, you'll see the channel. You'll see the live stream. All right, we got another 2-bar potentially. I'll watch for move back down to like 965. I don't love that we already breached 25,000, but we'll see. Thank you for going live. You're helping a lot of people. Let's go. Yeah, I wish we could have gotten a pullback. I kind of thought that was coming, but we didn't get a deep enough pullback into 920. TP slapped on my damn birthday. All right, DOD and all that. Peace. Let's go. Last name Savage. Congratulations. Happy birthday. Happy birthday and happy DOD day. Happy DOD day. Yeah, I'll be trading for another hour. I trade about 2 hours every morning. We got a 50% retracement from high to low of day, but we never got that midline. Every day is happy DOD day. That's right. That's right. I am going to watch for this 960 area for a retracement for longs. The Department of War is pleased to acknowledge your use of DOD. We didn't get the middle line. We got a 50% retracement of the entire morning, but not of the 15-minute range. If you go like this to the high day, we got it. But if you go to the middle line point of the 15-minute range, we didn't touch it. So we wait. Gene, want to come sad quick? I gotta piss again. I've been drinking so much water.
What's up? What's up, guys? And we are pumping. Ooh. Nice. $60 level. Yeah. We kind of pumped pretty hard. I like 65. Let's see. 40 to 65.
Hello, Senor Gene. Gene started playing the corridos. Tesla's having a day too. Never really got the pullback I'd want to see on Tesla. The same guy in the TikTok. I'm gonna call you out real quick, my boy. You told me that the shorts were free money down at 840. You said if you're not taking shorts right now, you must be blind. You must hate money, bro. My brother, we are almost 200 points from that short spot, my guy. I'm just saying, you talk your tea, you gotta take it too. You talk your tea. You step in the shit, you gotta smell it, my boy. I'm sorry. Excuse my language. I'm not even a hater. I don't want to see anyone losing money. I'm just saying it's when you're like, oh, if you're blind, if you're not taking shorts, or you're blind, if you're not taking longs, and it reverses. Like, well, maybe being blind, maybe I like being blind in those situations. What do you think about your reject, Grizzly?
There's two. Technically, 975 could be a long entry.
I know.
We're coming out of this supply.
That's what I'm looking for. Is 965 with stops below 935.
975 would be good. Fair value, yeah.
Everyone's gonna lose trades. I'm saying if you're telling people they're they're dumb for not doing a trade either way, it's like, well, when it don't work out, you gotta take it. Everyone's gonna lose trades. It's part of the game. Gotta manage your risk on the losers. Let's see if we get it here. I only have a few partnerships in the prop firm space. You can use code Jdun with Apex, Tradeify, Alpha Futures, and FFF. I'm not sure about reversal. I don't even think we're going to get my long entry here. Here's the deal, folks. Here's the deal, folks. If we do get this retracement to 965, I'm likely going to try for the longs down here. There is a world where we go and rip down below this candle quick. So I'm going to have my hard stop set at 935 if I take that trade. I trade opening range. I just trade price action. I've always traded VPA. I'm a retracement trader. I trade higher lows and lower highs. I'm a trend trader. I don't love that we're rejecting 25,000, but I'm still open to try 965 if we get there before making a new high a day. I have not taken a trade yet, everybody. No trades. I have not taken a trade yet. My P&L is $0.00. I'm still watching for 965 for longs. This fib area right here. Oh, the trading toe. I'm in Highlands Ranch area. Here, you're close. Yep, I'm in that area all the time. I'm in Highlands Ranch area all the time. No trade yet for me, guys. I'm also watching individual names as well. No trade for me on Tesla. No trade for me on... well, that's all I was really watching. NVIDIA's not showing me much. Almost reclaiming that 15-minute high, but not quite. Not quite. Man, we're going to keep our records moving with the live streams, not with concurrent viewers. We had a high earlier of like almost 2,000 people again, which is crazy. When we first started these YouTubes, like 6 months ago, we only had like 100 people in here. Maybe some days even less. People have came in, they've seen DOD, they like what we're doing together as a fam. Hopefully you're having fun, smiling more, being more disciplined, living a better life as a whole. And we've been hitting like 2,000 people. I'm super happy to have you guys all here. Seriously, you guys showing up means the world to me. I never take it for granted. I literally planned my day around it. That's awesome, Kelsey. Choosing DOD. I miss you here, now you're gone. I'm dreaming that you're missing me. Jdun, where do I start under your program as a beginner? I recommend just showing up every day. That's the best way, honestly. Just learn from experience. Learn the basics. I have been working on a free course, a free beginner course for the squad, for the team bowl familia. I'm talking beginner, like what is a candlestick? What is a chart pattern? What is volume? Those type of things. Would any of you guys watch it? Do we have any beginners in here who, when I release my true beginner course, free beginner course, will watch it? Yeah, we got a lot of beginners in here. Okay. We'll keep that in mind. New high a day again, man. Reek, I wasn't clowning someone for losing a trade. I'm clowning someone for saying that if you're not taking shorts here, you're an idiot. Well, if you're saying take shorts here or you're an idiot at 840, then we go up to 25,040. Who was an idiot then? You know, you're going to lose trades, but there's a difference between taking a trade with a systematic edge and clowning people for not taking a trade. Big difference. Make a psychology video. Why? What? When I can just tell you DOD. I have not taken a trade. I'm bummed that we didn't get that pullback there. Still, I tell you guys this every time it happens. If we end up trending up today with no deep retracements, I likely will not take a trade. Jdun, you've helped me so much with being patient. Now I'm making money. Let's go. If we just slowly grind up, that's my least profitable type of day. Yeah, dude, Sam, I've been following for a week now, and you helped me be patient. Here's the deal, folks. The setup is still technically valid, but I don't like when we take out previous highs, then go retest. It's still technically valid to try a long at like 965. I just don't like how he went down, found this higher low here, took out previous high, and now we might go retest. So what I've found we'll do more often than not is we'll see a pullback. We flush through here, find support somewhere in here, and then we move back up if we're going to continue that trend up. So I'm still open. Here's my game plan, okay? Here's my game plan at this moment. Is I'm open to trying along here, maybe a bit less risk with stops below 935. Okay, so about 30 points of risk here. If this stops me out, I'm willing to look for a support spot in here. If we can see a move down and then reclaim for longs, that's my second watch. Or if we confirm something to the downside, we can switch our bias. Right now, this is my plan, though. If you guys want to take my next trade with me, Apex 90% off ends today. They do this about once a month. You guys can use code Jdun on Apex for 90% off. I recommend the 50K Trade Evade account. It's good for beginners and intermediate traders to learn with. It's cheap. Ultimately, I want you guys on a live account in the end. So if you have a live account or you have money for a live account, stick with that. But if you guys want to trade with me, have some skin in the game, work towards a payout, Apex is 90% off. You can use code Jdun in the 50K for an account for $19. How much should we start a live account with? 1,000's fine. Tradeify is great to start with. Code Jdun will work with Tradeify too. Well, Grizzly, we watching paint dry today or what? Watching paint dry? Dancing. We might just hold this 25,000 and move up. We'll see. No rush here. We're choosing DOD, baby. You guys like watching paint? I was saying we're just watching paint dry, huh?
Yeah. I think after NVIDIA earnings out of the way, we'll get back the market we had a couple weeks back, 2 weeks back.
When is NVIDIA earnings? Tomorrow?
Tomorrow, yes.
Oh,
After
nice.
12, I believe.
Imagine NVIDIA earnings was at like 10 a.m. Just let it rip during the day.
Someone forgets and gets into the trade.
I want them to stack Tesla, NVIDIA, Apple earnings together with CPI and non-farm payroll. I just want to see the most insane data candle ever.
I've seen some crazy data candles with NFP. For sure. Used to you would get them with FOMC meetings.
My lava lamp's almost heated up.
You have a lava lamp?
Don't you start talking tea. What's wrong with lava lamps?
You have the shag carpet in there next.
I love my lava lamp. Makes me feel like I'm in middle school again.
I remember a long time ago, they used to catch on fire. They kept catching on fire in people's houses.
Yeah, Grizzly, I should have said you don't have a lava lamp.
What's in my office is very unique. The way I have it set up. Yeah, what would you like me to explain? My fellow Team Blue member? Describe my office? Well, it has a safe in it.
It's not an office.
Guess what's in there?
It's a bear's den.
I've got bears on the wall. Or, decoration. Got my guitar, piano. What else do I have? Some mounts. Describe the day I joined Team Blue and become an admin. I just joined as a member when it first started. Didn't never ask for it. Jaden just turned me into admin one day. I was admin. That's the story.
You were killing it.
Yeah, we set up a good trading. It was a good year. Good trading sessions. Good money off Tesla. I had someone ask me the hardest trading time for me. And I would say it was the beginning of last year. It was the toughest trading time I remember. Sorry, day trading.
Dude, your testimonial in the testimonials tab is still goated, Grizzly. Back 5 years ago.
I didn't start trading options until I joined people. Like day trading. One thing I was doing before then was like shares and swing trading long term.
You said, well, I'm not very good at this sort of thing, but here goes nothing. I've traded long term for years, but since I've came here, my eyes have been open to so much more, from swinging stocks to options to better understanding of graph. I have an overall better understanding of the market. I've profited $2,000 since I joined. Started last week, but just joined in trading this week. Did it with my small account. You've been building small accounts since day one. At Jdun and at Johnny. The good old Johnny days. Yep. I'm waiting for 965.
Oh, 975. It was close. A little bit lower.
Yep, 965. Grizzly is watching 975. I'm watching 965. Graph is crazy.
These are no longer charts, there's no graphs. Watching. How much time we got left?
It's a tough candle to short or long.
As far as the
Ooh, damn it. I got to clear my voice before I do order filled. I failed the order filled. My computer glitched out. 965 is my entry. I'm watching for that previous first candle high. Not first candle, but first push up high in the lower part of this range. Damn, 6 athletes from Colorado won gold. All right.
The previous candle had a little higher volume, but it's still low volume.
At 975. I'm waiting until 965, personally.
Not in yet. I'll let you know if I do. I'm crazy about that previous candle.
Me neither. That's all I'm waiting. I'm okay with missing it if we don't get my ideal entry. I don't like how we had higher volume on that either. And we went and rejected at the 50% retracement of it.
Not in there, but I'll let you know if I click buy.
Trying a small piece of longs. Tried it. Yep. Sure did. Didn't get the best fill ever, but.
All right. I'm in with you. And keep keep my stop at the bottom of this fair value gap though. 953. 953 is gonna be my stop. I want to get my average in the 70s if possible. I'm not full size yet. I'd like to be full size. Good opportunity.
We got filled at 74. Not the best fill.
I got filled at 82. I got a bad fill as well.
I have my hard stops at 35. So I have about 40 points of risk on this. I'd like to see a push to high a day. If we get a strong candle up, I'll move my stops up, but 74, 84, 94. I'd like to see move to like pretty much high a day.
I can show one of my personal. Let's see.
I went light on this, guys.
Everyone hear me where my stop was? 80 or 53. Bottom of this fair value gap.
Not my favorite setup, but I'd be bummed if I didn't try it at this 50% retracement. So I had to give it a go. If we did bounce here and then I didn't take it, I'd be bummed I didn't follow my system. So I did try those longs down there. Don't love that previous 5-minute candle. And let you know. And I'm alone.
Oh no. I have high volume on a sell candle. Not what I want to see.
Yeah, if we get a strong full body candle close down, I'll probably stop it early. We'll see.
Same here. I did get my average at 78 now. I'm not adding anymore. I'm still not completely full size, but I'm not adding any more to this position. 78 is my average now.
I don't like this. I don't like what I'm seeing, but I'm going to keep my stops in place, same spot. If we get a push above 25,000, I'll move my stops up to like 967.
I don't know. What was the depth on the previous 5 minute? You play no.
I'm going for the bigger move here, guys. I want to see move to high a day or it's going to stop me out. We are green here, but sorry, go ahead.
You want high day for a trim? 25.
I do. Honestly, I want the bigger move, man. I might trim before that, but I would really like to see high a day. I don't love the last two candles, so we'll see. All right, come on. At least we know we had the right idea. We're bouncing off that area. So even if the setup ends up not working out, then we know we had the right idea. As you guys see, we're bouncing in this area. We're trying.
I'm going to trim up around previous day point control personally. My first trim, 25,000 area. 25,005, 25,000.
I'm putting my stops at 966, guys. 966. I moved my stops up. I will still get, if we move back below that previous 5-minute candle low, I'll still lose money. But we have minimal risk now. There we go. 25,000 plus. There we go. I'm taking a trim up here, guys. 25,010. There we go. Let's go. Come on. Give me high a day, baby. Give me high a day. I'm putting my stops at break even, everyone. I want to see high a day out of this. Let's go. That's what I wanted to see. Let's go, Mr. Dunning. Mr. Dunning, that is what they call me, Mr. Dunning. Let's go. Moving my stops up, baby. Come on. I want to see high a day out of this, baby. I want to say high of day, please. Let's go, everybody. Yes, 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 yes. That is exactly what I wanted to see. We stayed patient, and DOD is going to pay once again. My stops are at 996. I'd like to see us move to like 25,030. Come on, let's go, baby. Let's go. 50 points almost. Let's go, my friends. Yes, 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 yes.
Good job.
Thank you, bro. Hey, where'd the haters from earlier go? Where they at? Have I turned you into a lover yet? Have I turned the haters?
I believe we're about to get it here. Come on. I believe so.
Let's go, baby. We want it. We're getting it, baby. We're about to get high a day. That's what we want to hear. Order filled. That's what we want to hear and see, baby. All right, hold on. I was going to do something. You know what I got to say to the bears out there? If you're a bear, the bulls are coming. The bears are dead. Because this team bull today, baby. Let's go. That's what we wanted to see, baby. Come on. Let's go. Fire. 50-point plus trade. All right, guys. Trim spot up here. High a day. Stops are set at 25,000 on the rest. Let it pop, baby. Let it pop. Let's go, everybody. Hey. All right, chat. We need some positive in a world of so much negativity in the trading space. We consistently show up, choose DOD, and get paid. I want to know how we doing this morning, chat. Tell me. Talk to me. If y'all made some money on that trade, if you're rocking with this trade up 50 plus points, talk to me, baby. Talk to me. How much did you guys make on that trade? 500, 250, 50, 275, 260, 552, 300, 116, 530, 1100, 500, 86, 400, 2096, 170, 145 times 2, 9400, 45, 256, 172. Let's go! Oh. Did it just... All right, we are 30 points. I thought I got my stop. Let's go. Exact price target. Textbook setup. That's exactly what I wanted to see. I'd like to see more. I'd like to see a continuation to the upside. Stop set at 25,000 just in case.
Trade's over for me.
So awesome, guys. This actually technically could be a 2-bar. Dr. Done. That was awesome, guys. That was cool. Nice job, Grizzly. I need the bull mask. I wish we were at the office. All I got is the bear mask, so I had to strangle it. What? Yep, 30-point plus trade. 50-point trade, minimum drawdown. So if you guys did get those evals, put some size on. A lot of you could have passed or gotten very close to passing. Told y'all, if you guys want to trade with me or take my next trade, go get yourself an Apex account with code Jdun, 90% off. Use code Jdun for 90% off. I got you every day. I do my best to help you guys pass my second eval today. Let's go. You think I'm funny? Sometimes I like to think I'm funny. I do my best. 90% off Apex ends today, baby. Go get yourself a 50K account. You can stack as many as you'd like. Use your code on Tradeify. Let's go. If you enjoy these free lives, all I ask is you guys use code JDOM when you guys are getting funded. $19.70 for the Apex account. It's the last day of 90% off for the month. They only bring it around once a month, once every month and a half. Nice job, guys. My nephew has been trading with me and learning at 18 years old, and he just took 500 profit and learning DOD for life. Thank you, Jdun, for helping us. Let's go. I will use your code. You blessed up. Thank you. I appreciate y'all. Do my best to help y'all every day. Now, you know what I care about most is you guys understand why we took that. You guys understand why we took that trade. It just got my entry on that, guys, at 25,000. It literally just touched it and got my entry. Literally just got the entry. We'll take it. 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 I appreciate seeing y'all post your gains too, tagging me with DOD. Again, the reason I like that setup right here is because we had that aggressive 5-minute candle and we take our Fibonacci retracement tool. Here, 1 second. I'm doing the trade recap on YouTube, TikTok. So if you want to watch my trade recap, go to Jdun Trades on YouTube. Jdun Trades on YouTube. I'll give you guys a minute to go over it. Open your YouTube app, go to Jdun Trades, hit that subscribe button, and come watch. You get full screen share every day. Wow, I sort of literally went and got my stop at 25,000 and then moves up. All right, y'all, I'm starting the trade recap on YouTube and inside Team Bull. Okay, so, wow. So you look at this trend setting candle here. We moved aggressively up, rising volume. So that's where I took my Fibonacci retracement tool and drew from the low to the high. You get that retracement. We see that we have about 30 points of risk. If we go down to that 935, I ended up having closer to 40, just under 40. And then you ultimately want to go retest and try to target that high a day. So if you look at that, Risk down to this candle low. A little more risk than I usually like, but nonetheless, that's almost a 1.5R trade. That is a 1.5R trade. So for those of you whose goal was 1.5R, you got it with that. Took some patience, but you got it. Just qualified for my first payout on Apex. Thanks, Jdun. Let's go. That's awesome. Look at that move. That's what we wanted to see. Look at that. That's what we wanted to see right there. Man, that's what we wanted, baby. Pass two evals with your code. Let's get it. DOD. Trend trading. It's crazy how simple it can be if you're going to stay patient. And guys, just wait for tomorrow. For those of you who are coming tomorrow, hopefully it's every single one of you guys. I'd be honored to have you here again. Watch people come in tomorrow. The same people that came in for 30 minutes this morning are going to say, Jdun, you never take trades. So I need y'all to have my back and say, y'all just didn't stay patient enough to stay. They will. If you use code Jdun and you follow the rules, you won't get your payout denied. I need y'all to have my back tomorrow. Y'all got me? Will you guys go to war with me? I'm going to war with y'all every day. Y'all going to war for me? Hey, there's always going to be haters here and there. It means you're doing something right, Greenlee. Now that you guys caught a trade, be done for the day. Be done for the day, guys. There's no need to keep trading. None. That 2-bar setup straight up paid. If you guys watched my most recent video. How did I miss it? I've been here the whole time. You may not have been listening. I'm not sure. I'm sorry you missed it, but it was... I honestly couldn't have been more clear. Respectfully. That was dope, everybody. Hey, guess what? Here's the deal, though. Even if you missed the setup today, guys, I'm gonna give you guys some peace of mind. Okay, if you missed the setup today, there is absolutely no reason to have FOMO. And can I explain to you why? Are you willing to listen why? Because this is a repeatable setup. It's going to come again. This isn't the last time you're ever going to see this setup. It's not going to disappear. So if you missed the setup today, if you mismanaged the setup today, if you were late, whatever it may be, you are going to see the same setup come again because it's a high probability A+ setup. So give yourself some grace in missing it. Give yourself some grace in mismanaging it. It's going to come again. Choose DOD. Don't overtrade. The market's not going anywhere. But your account will be going somewhere if you get angry, if you get frustrated, if you decide to start overtrading, if you decide to start going on tilt and make poor decisions. We don't allow that to happen. Not on this live stream. Not when you're trading with Jdun. Choose your pain. DOD or regret. Discipline is light, regret is heavy. That's facts. That's on everything. Didn't take that trade with you, Jdun, because I made a massive winner earlier. Appreciate you keeping my head level. It's great. Honestly, guys, here's the deal too, is I don't want you guys copy trading me forever. I want you guys learning yourself. I would rather you see the setups before me. I'd rather see you guys have your own confidence, because if you're always just listening to what I'm saying and solely what I'm saying, the problem is you're always gonna have fear when you enter your trades. Instead, if you know your system well, if you're executing with confidence yourself, you might hear me trade for confirmation. Wow, I like this, and so does Jdun. That's great. But you're not just, all right, let's wait for Jdun every day. Is what happens if I don't show up, you know? You're cooked. I'm on your TikTok live stream. Do you stream anywhere else other than here? Yes, YouTube. I stream live every day. That's the other free stream. And then I'm also on Team Bull on our private page stream. That's on Zoom. There's zero lag. You get full access to the community. You can tag me and I answer all questions in there. I see them first. You get Jared Tendler There's a lot of benefits for the cost of about a cup of coffee a day. I don't really talk about it much. You won't find links to sign up to it, but it's there, and people seem to really enjoy it. You out of here, bro? Get you, superstar. See you, bro. See if we bounce this 25,000 to move up. No, I'm not in. Hey, all I ask from you guys on YouTube, if you guys got value from the live stream today, whether you made money, got help with your discipline, built your patience up, is you guys press that bell icon and turn your notifications on. That's all I ask. I live trade here every morning at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. And then Gene goes on here in the afternoon/evening for Asia live trading. So if you want to trade Asia session, he's been getting consistent payouts trading Asia. And chat will vouch for him. He's great at what he does. Comes on my YouTube channel, holds his stream and inside Team Bull. And you guys will get notified of that when that goes live too. Gene's the yawn master. You be yawning, Gene?
I don't know. I guess.
So all I ask is you guys hit that bell icon, turn those notifications on. And if you're on TikTok, you guys hit that follow button in the top left corner. I'm going to get the craziest back pump today. Let's go. Post that in your poster game in the poster games, Andrew. I love to see it. I'm going rogue with the back today. Telling y'all, I'm about to get put on some size. You can't really see it on the screen, but I've been eating, baby. Why is it always the same chart and the same candles? Because I'm trading the same instrument. Goofball. I'm too tall. Why is it always the same chart, Jdun? Because I'm trading the same instrument. I'm about to go diabolical in the back today. Straight back shots. Going ham. Goofball is diabolical. Am I still looking for another trade? I'm likely done for the day. I'm going to go Eugene. Jeez, that over here. He's in there. I do be tweaking. W Day again, bro. Thanks for everything. You're welcome. Hope you chose DOD and did well today. I tweet more than I trade. That's fine. If I make you money, who cares? Don't. Jdun, you tweak more than you trade. You're unprofessional. Also me. The Bears got nothing today, but we're coming back tomorrow. I'll dig you out of that DOD hole, dopamine over discipline, and put you into a discipline chokehold. Mama Bear's angry. Mama Bear wants a good setup to the downside tomorrow. That's what I want. Where's my downside? Mama Bear's angry. Yeah. 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 Oh man, what are we gonna do the rest of the day? What should we do? Gotta go to the gym. Get myself a nice back pump on. Oh yeah. Independent living, and we're still moving. Damn, is this going to give us the ultimate reversal? Is it going to give us the mega trade reversal? Jdun, want to come say hi quick? I gotta go pee again, bro. I'm like a damn racehorse. Oh.
Hello. Did you guys anything they trade? I started another Tradeify eval. Tried to select account, made 1,000 on it so far. I took an out earlier on my fundeds. Sucks, but we're gonna bounce back. I just did get a payout too from one of them. Yes, sir. No, I'm not. Nice. Hey, yesterday was like a break-even day. It's not Christmas. It's not Christmas, dude. We need to go to the disguise store.
Jdun, you never take trades on live. Jdun, you missed that ICT equilibrium SMT setup. Blah blah blah. This is what I see when y'all say that. This is what y'all look like. Jdun, you really missed that upside move to the ICT SMT equilibrium equal high equal low.
Yes, mother ever I did. As a matter of fact. That's what y'all, these haters be looking like. Sounding like. Shit. You're getting grumpy gills. Damn. Damn, look at that reversal candle so far. Right into that 50% range. That actually would have been a good short 25,000 area. Stops above like 25,016. That actually would have been solid. Chat, did I enter anything? Yes, we caught a banger on longs earlier. Caught a banger on the longs. The longs. Caught a banger on the longs. Nice job, bro. I caught the pullback earlier to, I got filled at like 74, but to like 70 area. That was a banger earlier. That was dope. Green mask mean you're bullish? No, I was just being funny. Bro, I went to the New York Stock Exchange and I asked Einstein about ICT and he's like, "What?" Oh. I don't know why that got muted. I went to Wall Street, New York Stock Exchange, and I asked Einstein about that and he's like, "What's ICT?" What do you know? I can't trade ICT. I still got my badge for the New York Stock Exchange. Kind of dope. Einstein, not Epstein. That's crazy. I didn't go to the Epstein exchange. Thank God. Yep, Brandon came with me. The Epstein exchange is crazy. Y'all are absurd, bro. The Epstein of Wall Street is bananas. Y'all are out of pocket. Yeah, I'm hitting a back day today. I'm happy we caught a nice win today. We hit the longs earlier. I'm happy with how price went today. That was good. Well, solid. Jdun, I have passed several evals because of DOD and now trying to get a payout. Thanks for all you do. You are a great mentor. Much love, bro. I want you guys to work on getting payouts, work on making progress in your trading, and then move that to a live account. Like my EDM. Did I make a trade? Yes. Why didn't you enter off the 1 minute inversion off PDL? Oh, God. The reason I didn't enter off the 1 minute inversion PDL is because we had a 5 minute equilibrium mixed with equal highs and equal lows, and the volumetric correlation between the previous high and the two previous lows and the ICT fair value gap all didn't align. That's what these ICT traders really be sounding like, bro. Dead ass. I'm like, how? I don't even hate ICT. I just think that it makes things way too complicated. I just genuinely think it makes things way too. That's why you don't see, like, even, right? Like, you see the creator of the system, ICT Trade Live, bro, loses every trade. If you're confident in it, trade it live. The reason why people like this live stream with DOD and VPA is because you see it trade alive. You see it work consistently. It doesn't work every time, but it works consistently. To make real money, it doesn't have to be complicated. Take that from the best traders in the world. I don't know how people be grinding all day. I was done in 20 minutes. That's great. Congrats, bro. I'm just hanging out here because my food's not done yet. So I'm chilling. 695. Eating eggs with sourdough. Nice. It's dope. Come my vibe. Now we're moving our way back up. Let's see. Don't. I'm about done. You guys all choose DOD today? That's my question for y'all. Did y'all choose DOD today? You guys made me a promise you'd focus on yourself this morning. You'd focus on bettering yourself, and you committed to bettering one thing. Dun-dun-dun. Been DODing for 6 months. Funds aren't blown. Keeping them alive. Hopefully getting a payout soon. Let's go. It's dope. I don't really talk about the membership. There's no discounts right now. There's also no links to get in public. Yes, sir. As a reminder, guys, if you want to take my next trade with me tomorrow, go get yourself an Apex Trader funding account for 90% off. You can use code Jdun on the 50K account. It's only $19.70. Go get yourself an account. You can stack as many as you'd like if you'd like to buy them cheaper. If you want to be a bit more aggressive on them, I want you to trade at the system, but you can also be more aggressive. So use code Jdun, you get payout protection and 90% off. It's only $19 for a 50K Trade Evade account. That's the one I recommend for you all. What Gene was in here.
What?
Oh, you are in here. Where are you? Oh, you're in that chair. I was like, what the heck?
Did you lose me?
I lost you. Isn't that Head and Shoulders? No, I don't trade chart patterns like that. All right, fellas. I'm going to mob off for the day, everybody. I'm proud of you guys who all chose DOD today. I'm proud of you guys who challenged yourself, who focused on becoming 1% better today, who stayed patient, traded smart, and traded safe. I will be back on potentially Power Hour for sure tomorrow morning. I'll see y'all later. Do something positive for yourselves today, and may God bless each one of y'all. Have a great day, everyone. Peace.